Hey.
What's up?
Hi there.
You guys remember BertsVillage? Well, today we're gonna make another video.
Sorry we've been away. Kind of tied up with some silly things going on in life.
It happens.
And yeah, it is what it is. So what do we got on the agenda today?
Well, I don't know if you guys can hear that exhaust fan rattling around back there. It's windy out there.
Yeah.
But we know Bert's been doing some ranch work around here. We haven't seen him for a while.
Making some feed, yep.
We're gonna go out there and see him. I mean, hopefully with this wind, we should be able to get his scent or something out there.
Yeah, I'm told we got 79-mile-an-hour winds out there, so we should really get his scent quick, right? So
absolutely. So yeah, let's jump in the Argo, or we should probably go fire that thing up and let it warm up. We're dealing with northern Alberta temperatures.
5 or 7 degrees Celsius right now.
Yeah, the real feel is like -1 with the wind.
No way. We're there.
And then there's a frost advisory.
Oh,
tonight,
I should probably winterize my camper one of these days.
Kill off all of the wasps. They've been a problem this year.
Yeah.
So let's go fire up this Argo.
10-4.
That's shit.
What's that? We're rolling.
Hey, what's up? We got the Argo here parked in the covered storage. Hopefully we don't find any wasp nests.
Yeah, I definitely got stung last time I was in here. It looks super goofy without the tracks on.
Like not as cool almost.
I'm pretty sure it could fly though with those wings.
Oh yeah.
Okay,
Should we
well.
get this thing running?
Yeah, here. Somebody grab this guy.
All right.
This is a genuine cold start from a carbureted engine in like what? Real fuel -1?
Yeah.
Oh, it smells so good in here. It's like gas.
Here, let's let these guys smell.
Yeah.
Take it in.
Right? I could hear them. They're like, man, that smells good.
Right?
It smells like my childhood being gassed. All right, here we go.
A little prime. Good to go. Yeah. See, when you go into the bush with one of these, you really don't have to worry about where you can and can't go. They can go pretty well anywhere.
It's coming. And warm up. Waiting all day. Like it's already warm. Let's go.
Good to go. Yeah, time to load up. We're gonna hit the bush.
Hey, Chris, what?
Have the wind in our face
It's
and
almost at optimum temperature, isn't it?
let's
They run so good after you rev the crap out of them when they're cold for a little bit.
yeah, absolutely.
It's ready.
It's ready. Okay. Well,
Gas we got in this thing.
little shake test.
I don't know.
Survey says
No, I'm not really sure. Oh, it's full.
yeah. Okay. Okay, guys.
Drop it off.
Let's go find Bert.
Okay.
Hey,
So, I think we're ready.
you guys ready?
Chris, just checking. I don't know how to zoom in on your face, but you ready?
Yep. Let's give her.
Okay,
We're
well,
gonna hit the road or the dusty trail.
I just gotta remember the gate combo at the other end of this quarter.
Just text Bert.
I don't know what you're talking about. Oh, that's gonna tow him bait.
Never gonna
Okay, stay tuned. We'll resume once we get into the thick bush because I know you freaks like that stuff. Figured it out.
There we go.
We're getting the AC going. It's a little too warm in the cabin.
I got mine right here.
Good. Yeah, you gotta wrap that tight. Like
Roll tight, just like my joints.
yes, and like cabbage rolls. Like really tight. You don't want the rice everywhere. Look at that. Isn't that beautiful?
Built-in AC, mechanical.
Yeah. AC mechanical services. Already got my AC on 260. Look at this. Look at this bull crap. Someone enjoying nature and they're throwing beer cans and bottles out. Why? Don't come around Bert's Village if you're gonna be littering and stuff. We don't accept it. You're not welcome. Not cool, man.
I know that was yours from last week.
No, it wasn't.
Yeah. If you're gonna have a good time, throw your bottles in the back.
Right? We're being a little bit loud because the scent we caught isn't like the one, but it's pointing in the right direction.
It's so cool.
Not sure if he smelt him up that tree that we can see he's not up there, but
These branches are pretty dead.
no, you're good.
Yeah, and then things like this.
Oh yeah, no, hopefully we don't have to rush out of here or nothing. Dibs. Dibs.
The Argo goes like.
You must like them because he started coming down right away. Dibs.
It's like a cat, eh? It's easy going up. Oh, yeah, there we go.
Oh man, that's gotta hurt the feet. Those things look like they've never got the sun in their life. You ever been on vacay, bro? Oh my god.
Okay, so we were just kind of cruising along here in the bush, guys, and we came across this spot. This random tree, first of all. But the reason we stopped is this. Deadfall's been gathered. It looks like Bert is ready to light a fire. So whether he has an Argo with headlights or not, we don't know. But he's ready to light a fire. However, the moss.
Not advised.
The moss. Yeah, not advised at all. Because it feels incredible.
It does.
Yeah. That's what I'm talking about.
You know what else is incredible? That sun blasting through the trees right there.
Yes.
Are you in 4K?
Gives you that little feeling.
Yeah.
What did you say? Huh? So anyways, we caught a little whiff. He had a fire here like 13 years ago.
Yeah, well, here's some remnants.
It's fresh from 13 years ago.
Yeah. Looks like a fish head.
And?
Smells like 2008.
Yeah, I think so.
You guys hear that?
Get the shotgun. Yeah, no, I definitely heard that. How?
Yeah, we're here too. We don't know where he is either.
Hey, dude, he could be saying that. We were just talking about how these acorns open up. I don't know where the heck they are.
There.
Right there.
Pull one out.
Kind of hard to see it there, but right there, the little acorns take forest fires and fire to you know.
Let's see if we can get one on the branch here.
Yeah, there you go.
Right here. There we go.
It takes severe flames to make them open up and then let the seeds out. Well, it took at least 17 minutes to make all these trees. Imagine that, guys. Seriously.